Welcome, everyone. I'm excited to kick off our presentation today. Today, we'll be exploring product design and development. This is a critical area that shapes how innovative and successful products come to life. We'll cover key concepts, the process steps, and some best practices. So, let's dive in and see how great products are created from idea to market. It is fair to say that we live in an almost completely designed world. Everywhere we look, we see products, spaces, systems, services, and experiences that have been intentionally created. These designs respond to a wide range of needs: physical, emotional, social, cultural, and economic. They shape our daily lives in ways we might not always notice, but they play a huge role in how we interact with the world around us. Understanding this interconnectedness is key to appreciating the power and importance of design in shaping our environment and experiences. So, when we talk about product design in its simplest form, it's really about designing products that serve a purpose. But it's important to remember that the concept has a much broader scope. It's not just about the final product itself. It also encompasses the generation of ideas, coming up with innovative concepts that can lead to new solutions. Then, there's the development phase, where these ideas are refined and turned into workable concepts. Product testing is crucial too, as it helps us ensure that what we create meets quality and usability standards. And finally, manufacturing or implementation, the process of bringing these ideas into the real world, whether that's through physical production or deploying a system or service. So, product design is a comprehensive process that involves creativity, testing, and execution, all connected to the overall goal of creating effective and meaningful products. The role of a product designer is really quite diverse, encompassing many different disciplines. You see, it's not just about making things look good. It involves marketing, management, design, and engineering all working together. And what's fascinating is that it combines art, science, and commerce, all with the ultimate goal of producing tangible artifacts. These artifacts are the products we use every day, and designing them requires a careful balance of creativity and technical skill. As we move through this course, keep in mind how these different elements come together to shape effective product design. It's about creating solutions that are not only functional, but also appealing and viable in the marketplace. When we look at Webster's dictionary, it defines to design as to fashion after a plan. But I think it's important to recognize that this definition leaves out a really key point. To design is actually about creating something that's never existed before. It's not just about following a plan, it's about innovation and originality. To truly design, you're either pulling together different elements in a new way or arranging existing things in a way that hasn't been done before. And you're doing this to meet a specific need in society, to solve a problem or fulfill a desire. An elegant way to describe this process is through the word synthesis, which means bringing things together in a new, meaningful way. So, what is design? It's this act of creation, of combining and rearranging to serve a purpose that didn't exist before. It's at the heart of everything we do in this field: innovating, problem-solving, and shaping our world in meaningful ways. Let's start by looking at what Joseph F. Blumrich says about design. He describes it as the process of establishing and defining solutions, as well as the structures needed for problems that haven't been solved before. Or, sometimes, finding new ways to approach problems that we've already tackled in different ways. At its core, design is really about making things better. And I mean that in a broad sense. Better for consumers and users, yes, but also better for business and even better for the world we live in. So, what exactly is design? Well, it's not just about aesthetics or creating something that looks good. It's about solving problems. It's about improving existing solutions or coming up with innovative ones for challenges that haven't been addressed yet. And as we move through this presentation, keep in mind that design is a fundamental part of innovation. It's a way to make a positive impact across many areas, whether that's how people interact with products, how businesses operate, or how we protect our environment. Now let's talk about what product design really focuses on. It's all about the aesthetic, the look and feel of the product, making sure it's visually appealing. But it's not just about how it looks. There's also a strong emphasis on functional aspects, especially ergonomics, which means designing the product to be comfortable and practical for users to operate. The goal is to ensure that the product is not only attractive, but also practical and easy to use. We want end users to find it intuitive and enjoyable to interact with. So, what is product design? It's the process of creating a product that balances beauty, usability, and user experience. When we get these elements right, the product becomes more appealing and more effective in meeting user needs. This focus on aesthetics, function, and user experience ties directly into the overall theme of creating thoughtful, user-centered designs that stand out in the market. Product design is not just about how something looks or functions, it's also a key commercial activity. It plays a crucial role in helping businesses succeed by making sure they create and sell products that really connect with consumers. Sometimes, products are designed to appeal to customers, making them want to buy and enjoy them. Other times, products are meant to challenge consumers, encouraging them to think differently or push boundaries. The goal is always to understand what the market needs or desires and to craft products that meet those expectations. So, when we talk about product design, we're also talking about a strategic business tool that can drive sales, build brand loyalty, and ultimately contribute to a company's success. This ties directly into our overall theme of how effective design influences both the market and consumer behavior. Product development refers to the comprehensive process of conceptualizing, designing, and introducing a new product to the market. It's a multi-stage journey that begins with a simple idea and evolves through various phases until the product is ready for launch. Throughout this process, creativity and strategic planning play crucial roles, ensuring that the product not only meets customer needs, but also stands out in the marketplace. It's important to remember that product development doesn't end at the launch. In fact, continuous improvement is often built into the process, allowing companies to refine and enhance their products based on customer feedback and market trends. This ongoing cycle helps maintain relevance and competitiveness, which ties back to our overall theme of innovation and adaptability in today's dynamic business environment. The primary objective of product development is to fulfill customer needs, address specific market demands, or solve existing problems. Essentially, we're focused on creating products that make a real difference for our customers and stand out in the marketplace. When we talk about new product development, or NPD, we're referring to the process of bringing entirely new products to life that can meet these needs. But it's not just about new products. It also includes product improvement or enhancement, which means making existing products better, adding new features, improving quality, or increasing efficiency. Then there's product line extension, where we expand our offerings within an existing category, giving customers more choices. Product diversification is another strategy, where we venture into new markets with different products, spreading our risk and exploring new opportunities. And of course, all of this falls under the broader umbrella of product development, which is a continuous effort to innovate, improve, and adapt to changing customer preferences and market conditions. So ultimately, whether we're developing something new or improving what we already have, our goal remains the same: to create value for our customers and stay competitive in the market. So on this slide, we're looking at the product development process, which really covers all the steps needed to take a product from just an idea or concept all the way to being available in the market. It's a comprehensive journey that involves careful planning and execution. One of the key drivers here is market demand, understanding what customers need and want. This helps ensure that the product we develop will actually meet a real need and find its audience. Another important aspect is gaining a competitive advantage. We want our product to stand out among others in the market, whether through innovation, quality, or unique features. That's how we stay ahead. Of course, revenue growth is a central goal. A successful product not only satisfies customers, but also boosts our sales and profitability over time. Technology advancements play a huge role too. Leveraging the latest tech can improve our product's performance and appeal, making it more attractive to consumers. Adapting to changing trends is vital as well. The market evolves, and so should our products, to stay relevant and meet new customer expectations. Brand enhancement is another benefit of effective product development. A great product can strengthen our brand reputation and increase customer trust. Customer retention is closely tied to this process. When we develop products that truly resonate with users, they're more likely to stick around and become loyal customers. Finally, all these points highlight the need for continuous product development. It's not a one-time effort, but an ongoing process to keep up with market demands, technological progress, and shifting trends. This cycle is essential for sustaining growth and maintaining a competitive edge. So, as we wrap up this presentation, I want to emphasize the key takeaways. First, understanding the core concepts we've covered is crucial for applying these ideas effectively in real-world situations. Remember, the most important concepts are not just theoretical. They have practical implications that can make a real difference. Connecting these points to our overall theme, it's about recognizing how each element plays a role in achieving our goals. Whether it's through improved strategies, better practices, or innovative thinking, these insights are all interconnected. Ultimately, the goal is to take what we've learned here and implement it confidently. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you feel inspired to put these ideas into action.